In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all answers in a Google form. Whether you're a teacher assessing a quiz, a business collecting feedback, or just curious about the responses to your survey, viewing all the answers can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily access this information. First things first, make sure you have your Google form open. You can do this by going to the Google Forms page and selecting the form you're interested in. Once you have it open, you'll notice a few tabs at the top, such as Questions and Responses. To see the answers, you'll want to click on the Responses tab. It's right at the top and you can't miss it. Once you've clicked on Responses, you'll immediately have access to a wealth of information. At this point, Google Forms offers you 3 different ways to view the responses. First, there's the Summary view. This gives you an overview of all the responses, presenting the data in a collated format. It's especially useful if you're looking for general trends or an overall snapshot of the feedback you've received. Next, you have the option to view responses by question. This is perfect if you want to focus on how participants answered specific questions. This view breaks down each question, showing you exactly how many people selected each answer. It's a great way to pinpoint which questions were most challenging or to see where opinions diverged. The final option is to view the responses by individual. This allows you to examine each respondent's answers one at a time. It's particularly helpful if you're interested in the detailed responses of individual participants. Perhaps you're following up with specific people, or maybe you just want to ensure that each response was completed correctly. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can see all the answers submitted via your Google form. Whether you need a broad overview or a deeper dive into specific answers, Google Forms makes it straightforward to access and analyze the data. Remember, if you ever want to save or share this data, you can easily export it to a Google Sheet. Just click the green Sheets icon at the top of the Responses tab, and all your data will be neatly organized in a spreadsheet ready for further analysis or sharing with your team. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to see all the answers in your Google form. It's a powerful tool for gathering and analyzing information, and now you know exactly how to make the most of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.